Ah, the majestic African savanna stretching endlessly under a clear blue sky. Once upon a time, in the vast African savanna, two mighty rulers reigned. Simba, the fearless lion, ruled the eastern plains, while Rajawali, the fierce tiger, governed the western territories. Despite their differences, the two were bound by a mutual respect. Simba, known for his bravery and leadership, ensured his pride always had enough to eat. Meanwhile, Rajawali, known for his strength and cunning, protected his territory with unmatched vigilance. One fateful year, a severe drought struck the jungle. The rivers dried up and the grass turned brown. Food and water became scarce, threatening the survival of both Simba's pride and Rajawali's clan. In this dire situation, the two rulers decided to meet. Simba, with his mane flowing in the dry wind, and Rajawali, with his piercing eyes, stood face to face. Simba said to Rajawali, "The drought has made it impossible for us to survive alone. We need to cooperate to find water and food for our families." Rajawali said to Simba, "I agree. Together we can combine our strengths and ensure our survival." Pooling their knowledge, Simba and Rajawali decided to lead their groups to a distant oasis, known only to a few. The journey was treacherous, with many obstacles along the way. Finally, after days of travel, they reached the oasis. The sight of fresh water and lush greenery brought joy and relief to everyone. The two groups celebrated together, sharing the resources they had found. This cooperation not only ensured their survival, but also forged a strong bond between the lions and tigers.
Remember, my friends, it is through unity and cooperation that we have survived this trial. Let this be a lesson to us all.
Simba is right. By working together, we can overcome any challenge. Let us continue to support each other.
And so, the lions and tigers lived together in harmony, sharing the oasis and thriving even in the face of adversity. Simba and Rajawali became legends, their story a testament to the power of cooperation. From then on, the animals of the savannah remembered the lesson of Simba and Rajawali, that by working together they could overcome any obstacle, and with that, they lived happily ever after. Thank you for joining us for this adventurous tale. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Kids Stories by Armaghan. See you next time. Bye! Teamwork Simba and Rajawali showed that working together can help solve big problems. Respect. Despite their differences, Simba and Rajawali respected each other and this led to their survival. Obeying parents and teachers. Just as the animals followed Simba and Rajawali, it's important to listen to and respect our parents and teachers for guidance.